This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the wheel diagonally opposite to the one being removed. On van and Caravelle models, the jack, wheel brace and vehicle tools are located in a stowage compartment at the rear left of the luggage compartment. On some models, it may be necessary to take off a removable cover for access. On chassis cab models, the jack, wheel brace and vehicle tools are located either under the rear seat or behind the driver's seat. Release the catches and remove the stowage compartment cover. Then unclip the retaining straps and remove the jack, handle and wheel brace. Depending on vehicle model, the spare wheel is stored at the rear of the passenger compartment, on an exterior bracket mounted at the rear of the vehicle, or under the rear of the vehicle. If the spare wheel is mounted under the rear of the vehicle, slacken the folding bracket safety bolt until it turns freely. Undo the folding bracket retaining bolt and allow the bracket to rest on the safety bolt. Insert the flat end of the wheel brace into the guide on the folding bracket up to the stop. Grasp the wheel brace firmly, lift it slightly and move it to the right until the elongated hole slips over the safety bolt. Lower the folding bracket to the ground. Lift the spare wheel out of the folding bracket. Where applicable, remove the center caps from the wheel. Using the special anti-theft bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack under the jacking point nearest the punctured wheel. On van and Caravelle models, the jacking points are indicated by depressions in the side sills just to the rear of the front wheels and just to the front of the rear wheels. On chassis cab models, the front jacking points are indicated by depressions in the side sills just to the rear of the front wheels. The rear jacking points are indicated by a triangular mark under the mounting for the trailing arms. Engage the head of the jack with the jacking point and turn the jack handle clockwise until the wheel is raised clear of the ground. Unscrew the wheel bolts and remove the wheel. Locate the wheel over the hub, align the mounting holes and insert the bolts and lightly tighten them. Rotate the jack handle anti-clockwise and lower the vehicle to the ground. Fully tighten the wheel bolts. Note that the bolt should be tightened to the specified torque at the earliest opportunity. Stow the wheel, then raise the bracket and engage with the safety bolt. Insert the retaining bolt, then tighten both bolts to secure the bracket. Where applicable, refit the wheel center cap. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.